How to reset Bereal streaks after crash. Officially states that, or Bereal states that, there is no way you can manually reset or go back to a streak once it has ended. However, if your streak was lost due to technical crash or rather bug than a missed post, you must be able to have it stored or restore it by contacting support with evidence. First thing, you want to make sure to gather evidence. Ask friends for screenshot of your BRL from the day the streaks was supposedly lost. If you can show that you reacted to a friend's post or that they saw your post, it proves your fulfillment the requirement, as those features are only available after posting. So in order to contact support, now go to the profile from the very bottom right corner, tap the gear icon at the very top right, then you want to go to the help section, then you can go to contact us. This is where you could go ahead and select report a problem. You could then submit your uploaded documents and all that, and this way you should be able to reset your Bereal streak after crashing. However, this is not completely or 100% accurate way. You could just give it a try and see whether that works or not. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.